At Toro, we know shortcuts don't cut it. Our IronForged cutting system is literally the bedrock of machines that get the job done right every time, season after season. We start from the ground up with a slab of hefty iron that doesn't flinch when things get rough. We use thick, heavy steel. More rigid means less flex, so the deck stays precisely on its mark, producing an unmatched, even and clean cut that only comes from a Toro. We use belts that are made with the same material found in bulletproof vests. The spindles are bigger, heavier, and designed for commercial applications, with blades that whip around at mind-boggling speeds of 18,000 feet per minute, taking you literally to the razor's edge of total lawn domination.